Good evening, sir. Today I am here to tell you about myself intro. Would you like appreciate me? But before speaking anything, I would like Mr. Deepak sir who has given me such a diamond chance. But before speaking, thank you, sir. There are 13 members in my joint family. First one is my father, named Mr. Abdul Kalam. Second one is my mother, named Mrs. Anwari Banu. She is perfect housewife. There are 5 siblings. We are 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I passed high school from Madhuri Central College, Amsin, Faizabad. In 2K16 with 75% and intermediate from MGIC in 2K18 with 62% and BA first year from Mahila PG College, Kaddupur Gosaiganj in 2K19 with 69%. Present time I am doing GNM course from Sadarpur, Akbarpur, Ambedkar Nagar, as well as I am learning English in ALU. My desire, I want to be doctor. As you know guys, it's not quite easy for me. That's why I am doing hard work to get my aim. My family is my better strength and my confidence, my willpower. My hobby is listening song, watching dance and study. My family think about me. I am good girl. My teacher think about me. I am responsibly girl, and my friend think about me. I am cooperate them. As you know guys, no one is perfect in this world. Everyone has some merit and demerit, so I also some merits and demerits. My merits, I don't hate any person. My demerit, I am angry very soon with my family. As you know guys, I think it's enough my self intro. So thanks. Would you like to appreciate me? Thanks for appreciate me with great affection. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Very good morning guys, this is Saloni Gupta. I'm quite well, hope you are all well. Today I'm here to tell you something about my self intro. Would you like to appreciate me? But before starting, I would like to pay thanks to Deepak sir who has given me this golden chance to speak before you. Thank you sir. There are 30 members in my family. First of all, my father named Mr. Jawaharlal Gupta. He is a confectioner. Second one is my mother named Mrs. Reena Gupta. She is a perfect housewife. We are 4 siblings. And I passed 10 from Baldev Prasad Memorial Inter College with 82% in 2K16 and intermediate from same college. I am doing graduation from RBN College as well as learning English from it. My strength is my soul. I want to be professor, but it's not quite easy for me. I am doing hard work to achieve my goal. My hobbies are singing, dancing, reading novels and reading English also. As you know guys, no one is perfect in this world. Everyone has some merit and demerit, so I also have some merit and demerit. My merit is I'm early bird, honest, but my demerit is I easily believe other, but it's not good for me. My parents thinks about me I am good and responsible daughter. My friends thinks about me I am cooperative, I always help them, and I stay frank always. And my teacher think about me I am quick learner. So guys, I think it's enough about my self intro. I would like to pay thanks to all of you for appreciating me with great attention. Bye, ciao, have a well of time.
Good evening, guys. Today I am here to tell you something about my self intro. Would you like to appreciate me? Before speaking anything, I would like to pay thanks Mr. Deepak sir, who has given me such as a golden chance to speak here. So shall we start now? My name is Sakshi Vishwakarma. I belong to Mehmadpur, Gosaiganj, Ambedkar Nagar. There are 7 members in my family. First one is my brother named Ashok Vishwakarma. He is a businessman. Second is my sister-in-law named Geeta Vishwakarma. She is a perfect housewife. We are 4 siblings, 1 brother and 3 sisters. I passed high school from Vidya Devi Girls Central College in 2016 with 80%. I passed intermediate from RVN Inter College in 2018 with 69%. At present, I am doing BA from RVN Degree College, as well as I am learning English from AIL. I want to be teacher, so it's not quite easy. So I'm doing hard working to achieve my goal. My strengths are my family. My hobbies are singing, dancing, listening songs, etc. As you know, guys, no one perfect in this world. Everyone has some merit and demerits. So I also have some merits and demerits. My merits is I help others, and my demerits is I am late riser and I believe easily others. My family think about me I am good, and my teacher think about me I am quick learner. My friend think about me I am good and cooperative friend. So guys, I think it's enough for my self intro. So I would like to pay thanks to all of you for appreciating me with great attention. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a nice time.
Hello, I am Nazia. Today I am here to tell you about my daily routine. But before speaking anything, I would like to pay thanks Mr. Deepak sir, who has given me such a diamond chance. I get up early at 4 o'clock a.m. Then after I see my hand. After that I study 1 hour 30 minutes. After that I put on my flip-flop and go to camp and come back, wash my leg, hand and face. After that I go out for exercise and with my old friend. After that I take my brush and clean my teeth. After that cleaning teeth. Then after I take bath and whip my body. After that I put on my cloth. Then after I come back my room. Then after I prepare tea, I'll take tea with my friend. After that I ready to attend online class. After that I prepare breakfast and take breakfast with my friend. Then after I ready to attend class 9:30 to 12. After that I take rest some minute. Then after I operate cell phone. After that I take lunch with my friend. After that I take rest some minute. After that I operate cell phone. After that I sleep. Then after I prepare tea and take tea with my friend. After that I study. Then after Then after I walk around after that with my friend. After that I go to market, purchase vegetable. Then after I come back my room. After that I prepare dinner and take dinner with my friend. After that I take rest some minute. After that I study. Then after I sleep with sweet dream. So guys, I think it's enough my daily routine. So thanks. So I would like again to pay thanks. So once again I would like to pay thanks for watching my video. Thanks. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Ciao.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Priyanka. I belong to Mijhora. Today I am here to tell you something about my self intro. Would you like to appreciate me? Okay, before speaking anything I would like to pay thanks Mr. Deepak sir, who has given me a second chance. Thank you sir. And shall we start now? Okay, my family background. There are 6 members in my family. First one of my father name Mr. Ramu Jagir, and the second one of my mother name Mrs. Kamini Devi. We are 4 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister. My education, I have passed 12th class in 2K19 from Purushottampur, and present I am learning here. My desire, I want to be an IAS officer. I know that it's not easy for me, but I am doing hard work for get my aim. And my strength is my family and my self-confidence. And my hobbies, watching horror movie, taking chocolate, speaking English, taking samosa, and anything. I married and demarried. As you know guys, no one perfect in this world. Everyone has some married and demarried. So I have also married and demarried. My married, I am early bird, honest, idle, and respect other. And my demarried, late riser, short temple, and other believe easily. Other opinion. My parents think about me, I am good girl, and my teachers think about me, I am quick learner and good student, and my friends think about me, I am civilized, cooperative, and cute girl. And the end, I think quite enough my self intro. So once again I pay thank all of you for appreciate me with great affection. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Good evening guys. Today I am here to tell you something about my daily routine. This task is given by Ornamental Deepak sir. So before speaking anything, I would like to pay thanks Mr. Deepak sir, who has given me such a second time and chance to speak here. So shall we start now? First of all, I get up early in the morning. Then after I put on my slipper. Then after I go to washroom. Then after I wash my hand and legs. Then after I take brush. Then after I take bath. Then after I wear my clothes. Then after I attend my online class 1 hour. Then after I take breaky with my family. Then after I spend it some time with my family. Then after I listening song sometimes. Then after I watch TV. Then after I mop floor. Then after I take lunch. Then after I take rest sometime. Then after I wash vessel in the evening. After that I take tea with my family. Then after I come on the roof. Then after I write my homework. Then after I spend some times on the roof with my sisters. Then after I come back in kitchen. Then after I serve dinner my elder brother. After that I take dinner with my sister and sister-in-law. Then after I study sometime, then after I sleep with sweet dreams. So guys, I think it's enough for my daily routine. So I would like to pay thanks to all of you for appreciating me with great attention. So thank you, bye bye, have a well of time.
Very good evening guys, this is Saloni and today I'm here to tell you something about my daily routine. This task is given by our mentor Deepak sir. So I'd like to pay thanks to Deepak sir who has given me this diamond chance to speak before you. First of all, I get up early in morning, then after I put on flip-flop, after that I go to can, then after I attend nature call, after that I take brush and brush my teeth, then after I take bath, after taking bath I put on clothes, then after I comb my hair and get ready for coming online classes, then after I come in online class, then after I wish my teacher and batchmates also, then after I attend online classes and converse with my batchmates, after that I take breakfast, after that I operate cell phone, then after I study, after that I take lunch, then after I take rest for some time, then after I watch TV, after watching TV I take snacks, then after I operate cell phone and complete homework and study also, then after I take dinner, after taking dinner I walk on roof for some time, then after I take snacks, after taking a snack I sleep with sweet dreams. So guys, I think it's enough about my daily routine. I would like to pay thanks to all of you for appreciating me with great affection. Bye, ciao, have a well of time.
Hello everyone, good evening. Today I'm here to say you about my study routine. But before speaking anything, I would like to say thanks Mr. Deepak sir who has given me next time and chance to speak over here. Thanks sir. Sir, we start now. First of all, I got up early in the morning. Then after I remembered God. Then after I put on flip flop. Then after I went to for morning walk. Then after I came back my home. After that I went to can and washed my hand and face. Then after I brushed my teeth. After brushing my teeth I washed my mouth. Then after I took bath. Then after taking bath I performed puja. Then after I took breakfast with my family. Then after I went to coaching for it. Then after I came back my home and washed my hand and face. Then after I took lunch. After taking lunch I rested for some minutes. Then after I operated my cell phone and completed my homework. Then after I enjoyed with my family. Then after I moved around. Then after I attended Deepak sir online classes. Then after I went to for evening walk. Then after I came back my home and washed my hand and face. Then after I took dinner with my family. After taking dinner I went to on the bed. Then after I rested for some minutes. Then after I used my cell phone and I completed my homework. Then after I read sometimes. Then after I slept with sweet dream. So guys, I think it is enough my study routine. So thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye, have a nice day.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Priyanka. I live in Mijhoda. Today I am here to telling about my daily routine. So once again I would like to pay thanks to all of you for listening me. First of all, I get up early morning. After then I put on my cell phone. After then I see my parents pic and after then I remember the God. After then I leave my bed and after then I clean my room and throw the garbage outside and after then I go to roof and walk some minute. After then I come back and attend the nature call and after then I wash my face, hand and leg. After then I take brush and brush my teeth. After then I take bath. After then I swipe my body. After then I put on my clothes. After then I perform puja. After then I comb my hair. After then I take one glass of water. After then I get ready for Deepak sir online classes. After then I wish my teacher and classmate. After then I study 1 hour. After then I leave my class. After then I call my family and talk everyone, and after then I complete my homework, and then after I see my all subject and remember the question and answer, and after then I take lunch, and after then I take rest and walk some minute, and after then I operate cell phone, use WhatsApp or Hotstar, and after then I sleep, and after then I get up. After then I attend online class from Careerville app, and after then I go to my friend house and enjoy with my friend, and after then I come back and wash my face, hand and leg. After then I take tea with namkeen, and after then I again study for 2 hours. After then I take dinner and go to roof and walk 10 minutes. After then I come back and think about for tomorrow, and after then I sleep with my sweet dream while reading storybook. So guys, I think quite enough my daily routine. So once again I would like to pay thanks to all of you with great affection. Have a nice day. Thank you for listening me and watching me. Thank you.
Hi ma'am. Hi sir. Good morning. Today I am here to tell you something about my self-intro. Could you appreciate me? But before starting, I would like to thank Mr. Deepak sir who has given golden chance to speak over her. Thanks sir. Shall we start now? My name is Anita Yadav. I live in Pamparpur, Bargadia, Ayodhya, Faizabad. There are 20 members in my family. First one is my father's name. He is Indradat Yadav. Second one is my mother's name. She is Rangali Devi, housewife. I have 5 siblings. 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I have first high school for Sadhana High School, Ayodhya, Faizabad. In 69% with intermediate Suresh Chandra Inter College, Narayanpur, Ambedkar Nagar. In 65% I have done graduation from Parvati Girls College, Institute Saraya Hussain, Ayodhya, Faizabad. My desire, I want to be teacher, but not easy for me. I am doing hard work. My hobby, watch movie, listening song, and reading English. My strength, my self-confidence, my family.